To set up a payment method, creators need to log into their AdSense account, navigate to the Payments section, and select Manage Payment Methods. From there, they can add or update their preferred payout method, such as a bank account for wire or EFT transfers. It's important to double-check that the entered information matches banking and government records to avoid errors or delays. Payments are bound to the monthly schedule set by AdSense, and early withdrawals are not possible. Delays can still occur if there are issues with account verification, incomplete tax documents, or problems with the payment method provided. Ensuring that all account settings are complete and accurate can help prevent such delays. In some cases, creators may opt to use third-party services like MediaCube's McPay or Air Media TextMilks. These platforms offer more flexibility, including faster payouts, partial withdrawals, and a wider range of options such as e-wallets, debit cards, and even cryptocurrency. They can be especially useful for creators located in countries with limited AdSense payment options or slow banking systems.